The first train that we saw was cab car 364 with a nice turn, and pushing it is F59PH Locomotive 561, and it has 6 passenger cars as usual. Well, there it goes, 561 at the Timothy Street crossing in Newmarket. Haven't been there for a while, so yeah. Alright, after going to the Timothy Street crossing, like after an hour, we have another GO train coming. It just departed our GO station right now, so we will see what we will get. The next train we saw was cab car 378, and pushing it is MP54 Locomotive 668. And as usual, it has 6 passenger cars. Alright, and there goes 668. Wow, that was another epic GO train like the first one. So yeah. Well, if that's going to call it a video here, we are just going to see the 2 trains and that's it, since they are rare. Well, as usual, okay, never mind, the crossing malfunctioned. Okay, the crossing's going down again. I really don't know what's the deal here with this crossing. It's probably just another malfunction. I know I had one in 2019, I believe, when I was there. Well, I guess it's an invisible train, I guess. I have no idea what's going on here. Alright, there we go, the gates are finally up. Anyways, let's try this again. Well, anyways, we're going to just see for 2 trains like I said, so yeah. Well, until next time when I make another Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks. for joining me again. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this epic Railfanning video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you